Hi everyone, this is part 2 of your slope, which is real-world applications of slope. So one thing I want to talk about when we do real-world applications is actually consider the term rate of change as the same as slope. So if you look at this population of China and I ask you, what's the rate of which one grew more, the rate between 1950 to 1975 or the rate between 1975 and 2000? And the numbers here don't lie. It says that 1.5% growth happened in this 25-year section, the first one, and then the second 25-year section, it grew only 1.2. They're eventually the same, but the idea remains. You can use slope or rise over run. In this case, the rise is 0.38 and the run is 25 to find a percent. So slope helps you to find rise over run. If I asked you from 2000 to 2025, and here are our numbers. 2000, we had 80,000. We had 2000, we had $80, and in 2025, we had $84. How much did it increase? Well, rise over run would give us 4 over 25. What that means is in the future, you can now take these two coordinates, which are 2000, right here is 2000 at 80 and 2025 at 84. And you can make a prediction using rise over run, up 4 over 25. And that'll give you a prediction. And it's also, in real world application terms, it's a 16% increase.